All right, so let's look at this example. Here we have a friend. He mentions that he has a new company, Swedish Designs. He's looking for investors. He just started this business in September, and he tells you the company has already made $36,700. He encourages you to invest before all the stock in the company is gone, and the next day you call the company's accountant to get some data, and you decide to use that data to prepare a multiple-step income statement. Okay, we have our sales. Remember, I told you some of these accounts could possibly be selling or admin, right? So they really need to give you data. So you notice the little asterisk there. It tells you the expenses are 60% selling, 40% admin. Okay, but if you see certain items like advertising or sales commission, those would always go to selling 100%. If there's some expense or income that you're like, I have no idea what that is, it's probably going to fall into that other category. Okay, take a minute, feel free to pause the video and try to prepare the multiple step income statement. Try it, and then you can unpause and we'll go through the solution. Okay. Hopefully you've tried it. All right, we have our header, of course. There's the sales revenue it's given. You have your two new contra accounts. I recommend the largest one first, which was sales returns in this case. Okay, subtract to get net sales. From net sales, take cost of goods sold. That gives us gross profit. And now we're on to our operating expenses. We said there's two categories, selling and your administrative. Okay, and they told us it was allocated 60-40. So I just took the total salaries expense multiplied by 60% for your selling, 40% for your admin. Still, you want to put your costs in the descending order, largest amounts first. Okay, totals for each category. Your total for operating expenses is 161. Subtract that from your gross profit of 147. And you get 14,000. And it happens to be a loss. Okay. Then we go into the other revenue and expenses. We had all these items you probably were like, I have no idea what it is. And that's why it falls in the other category. If they're not related to the company's core business activities, which was providing some sort of design services, then they go into other. So they sold some land. They had some interest revenue, interest expense, and loss from an employee strike. Okay, so those were all of your other items. Add and subtract as needed. And now we get to the net income of 36,700. Okay. I think I'll have you guys answer the second question in a homework assignment. Is the company a good investment? Do you think so? Why or why not, now that you are armed with this financial statement that you prepared? Okay, we'll post another practice multiple step income statement as well. All right, good job.